sisters and brothers, Black Power?
Black Power!
Black Power.
Black Power!
Say his name.
Ahmaud Arbery!
Say his name.
Ahmaud Arbery!
Say his name.
Ahmaud Arbery!
All right, we're here to make a statement here. And this statement is on behalf of the leaders who have fought hard to bring about justice in this case, who have fought hard to bring about the conviction of these defendants and the end to white vigilantes killing black men and black people, such as Brother Ahmaud Arbery. These brothers and sisters, it takes grassroots activists. Attorney Ben Crump just said it. It takes grassroots activists. It takes soldiers. It takes people traveling the roads and the highways to put pressures on this case that make cases work like this to justice. Come on, Sister Crystal, who in this case. So we want to thank every leader, thank every commander. We want to thank everybody because we in this movement are settling and solving our differences and learning to work together as a common unit.
That's right.
And that means something in this day and hour. I want to thank. Now see, you come over here, brother. Let somebody hold that for you.
Black Power! Black Power!
I want to thank several gentlemen here. I want to thank the leader of the Lion of Judah Armed Forces, Mr. Nasir. Let's give him a black hand. Been working this country. I want to thank the leader of the original Black Panther Militia here, Brother Mike Payne, the national leader. Let's give him a black hand. I want to thank all the other soldiers who are here. I want to thank Nasir, Brother Jay, Black Power, Sister Crystal, Brother Eagle. I can't thank Eagle enough.
That's right.
Minister Muhammad. Okay, so let's get down to business. You'll hear from these commanders. Okay, here's the point. Who are we? This is the new Black Panther Party. This is the original Black Panther Militia. This is the United Black Militia. These are black self-defense groups who are committed to organizing and defending our people on a permanent basis.
Right.
We're thankful that these defendants have been convicted, but the problem of our people has not been solved by one conviction. Our people must organize. Our people must train. Our people recognize that the threat of the Klan and the threat of white vigilantism in this area and all over the country is alive and well.
Right.
And we have determined that we will practice self-defense and we will spread the organizing of self-defense amongst our people by any means necessary. Okay? And so we want self-defense, is that right?
That's right.
What do we want?
Self-defense.
What do we want?
Self-defense.
And what are we here for?
Justice.
Okay. All right. Okay, so with that being stated, we just again want to say to all of those who are watching that this movement is coming together.
Right.
This leadership is coming together. We're going to hear from Mr. Darrell Kelly with his special award-winning hit on Ahmaud Arbery in a moment. What I want you to do now is hear from General Mike Payne.
Black Power!
Black Power! Thank you. As I said before, you know, this is a beautiful thing coming together as a collective. We really need to consistently arm ourselves, consistently be there for each other and support one another. And though we have come together for this particular tragedy and we've received some justice, we do have a long way to go. But this is something that's monumental because we are all here together. We are all here for the same purpose, and we are all here for the same reason.
Right.
You know how long we've been talking about black unity. Black unity. They say we can't unite. They say we can't do these different things. But yet we're here, as you can see, united. And that is really important, and that is not to be overlooked. Black Power?
Black Power. Yes, sir.
All I urge is that we consistently put away our playthings as black people. And what I mean by that is it's time to just take a look at ourselves and stop some of the partying, stop some of the this, that, and the third, and get real about this revolution.
That's right.
I'm not saying you have to be a Panther. I'm not saying you got to do that. But be a part of the solution. Be a part of the movement. Not a part of the TikToks. Not a part of all these the BS that's going on.
Right.
Be a part of the movement. Be a part of helping your sister, your brother, whether you know them or don't know them. We must band together and we must help each other out. All power to the people.
All power to the people.
All right. Lion of Judah Armed Forces, Mr. Nasir. Let's hear from him.
Black Power.
Black power.
My beloved brother, rest in power to him, Fred Hampton. He said, where there's people, there's power. And he also spoke on unity, black unity. And even Elijah Muhammad said that black unity is more powerful than an atomic bomb.
Come on, teach, brother. Teach.
Right. My beloved brothers and sisters, everyone that's listening out here need to know the importance of black unity. Even the FBI, CIA, J. Edgar Hoover, he said that black unity is one of the most feared in America. Because he even know that we are the chosen nation, the chosen people, aboriginal man and woman of the entire earth.
Teach.
And that's why they try so hard to be able to divide us as a nation of people. And they've been doing that ever since. So my beloved brothers and sisters, it's very important that we teach our youth, our children, the importance of unity. And it's very important that we also arm ourselves and take self-defense extremely serious. Because we see our beloved brother Ahmaud Arbery and what took place, we must learn from that as an example as well. And it's a beautiful thing to be able to see all my brothers and sisters out here standing together in unity and in solidarity with the family of Ahmaud Arbery.
That's right.
And them also receiving the justice. And I would like to give thanks to all my brothers here, the Black Power Coalition, the coalition in general.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? All the generals that's standing out here
That's right.
together in unity.
That's right. That's right.
My brother Dare, hey, appreciate it. It's a beautiful thing to be in the presence, man, and also to be here witness such a historical moment. So with that being said, all praise and glory to the Most High. Shalom, assalamu alaikum, hotep, my beloved brothers and sisters.
All right, Black
Black
Power.
Power. Black Power.
Black Power.
Black Power.
All right, we just got a few more minutes here. We're going to hear Brother Daryl Kelly give up his special song for Ahmaud Arbery on February the 7th at the federal courthouse in Savannah. Am I right?
Actually, you're right.
In Savannah.
In Savannah.
The federal criminal civil rights charges trial. The federal criminal civil rights trial begins for the McMichaels and Roddie Bryan, where they're facing the death penalty. I know people think that we're satisfied by what happened today. No, we want the full and complete death penalty. We want what they got, what they gave to Ahmaud Arbery. We want what the law is going to give to them, and that is the death penalty. And so we stay hard on the case, and we stay hard on the case for self-defense. To all black people who are listening and will follow this tape, this is our year, 2022, for black unity. You on my phone right there? Okay, you all right? So you hitting some buttons. It's all good. Black Power?
Black Power.
We all here. This is a big year. This here is a big year for black unity.
Right.
This is a big year for black organizing. This is a big year for self-defense. We are not going to allow the McMichaels and the Bryans and other white vigilantes to shoot us and gun us down, and we have to end up in court later. There are going to be larger and broader consequences for harming and killing black people.
That's right.
There are going to be stronger consequences. On Juneteenth, on June 19th in Natchez, Mississippi, there's going to be the coming together of thousands of brothers and sisters from all over the nation who practice self-defense and who practice black power and black unity. They're coming by the thousands because we are not going to rely on the police department to defend us. We're not going to allow and rely on the government to defend us. We understand that we as black people, we must defend ourselves. We must defend ourselves, and we will defend ourselves. And this is just a small sign that we are not playing anymore and that we're serious about what we're doing.
That's right.
All right. So what we're going to do is let Mr. Kelly come. Mr. Kelly come. I want you to deliver your hit I don't know whether you're gonna stay in formation or come around the country.
What I'm gonna do. First of all, I want to thank everybody for giving me the opportunity to hear the song of Ahmaud. I write music about people who, unfortunately, is victims of police brutality and systemic racism. But the problem is we don't hear it enough. You know, today is a great day that we got justice for Ahmaud. But what about the justice for the other people that's on this coffin? What about the Cox family that I just basically found out about today? What about Joseph Arbery, who got shot in the head by the police in Titusville, Florida? I was there. I was marching, and the family was there by themselves, upset. I was there for the Green family when they killed Ronald Green. They said that he crashed into a tree, but they found 3 tasers prongs in his back, and they killed him. So the thing is, we, as black and brown people, we're allowing them to keep covering up their crimes against black and brown people. What we have to do is stand together. And by standing together, I don't care what city you're from, where you're from, who you are, you have to report it and you have to make sure they're accountable. This is why we got justice for Ahmaud. But we don't have justice for a lot of other people that's on this coffin. People see this coffin and they see the hearse that I drive and they ask the question, well, what is this? This is a reminder that this happens every single day. We can celebrate today because we definitely got justice for Ahmaud Arbery. But we have to continue to get justice for all these people who died because of police brutality and systemic racism in our country.
Come on, Major Black, get in the photo, Black. You got to get in this for historical reasons. Historic.
Gotta have my
Come on.
Get on my knees.
Everybody throw it up.
Let me get on my knees.
It's about black unity. Come on, Black Power.
Black Power!
Black Love.
Black Power!
Black Unity.
Black Unity!
Stay right there doing it.
One more.
Black Power!
Black Power!